So let's try and review the problems, relativity problems that were on the final exam. So to begin with, the situation is this. You have Newton standing on the shore, and along passes Einstein, who's on a boat, and he's got a stereo that is playing some music. Okay? So Einstein's moving at a velocity equal to 3/5 the speed of light, and he's cruising along. So the first question asks about the tempo of the music. So Einstein is listening to music, and that music is playing with a tempo of 1 beat per second. That means the separation in time between 2 beats is 1 second. And that's the separation that Einstein hears. So the question is, what is the separation in beats that Newton hears? Well, to do this, we're going to use the time dilation equation. And the time dilation equation is this, where gamma is 1 over the square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared, which is equal to 1 over the square root of 1 minus 9/25, which, when you go through this, is equal to 5/4. So gamma is 5/4. So the only question here is, who is delta t prime and who is delta t naught? In this equation, delta t naught is the proper time, and delta t prime is the dilated time. The proper time is defined as the time interval in the reference frame where the 2 events happen in the same place. So if you think of what we're listening to, what the events are, is the events are the different beats of music that are coming out. So the different beats are happening here, where the music is playing, and in Einstein's frame, those beats are happening in the same place. So Einstein is the proper time. Einstein's frame is the proper time interval between these 2 beats. Whereas for Newton, one beat will happen here, and the next beat will happen out here. So for Newton, those events will occur at different places, and thus that is not the proper time. So Einstein says that the separation in beats is 1 beat per second. Then Newton will see 5/4 times 1 second, or 1.25 seconds. So the tempo that Newton will hear is 1 beat every 1.25 seconds. Or, put another way, if you want to think of this as in beats per minute, 60 beats per minute times 4/5, so 48 beats